Yeah, hello guys. So in this session, we will be doing the outer hip. So we are getting in the position first, and after that we will start it. Yeah, so we get in the position. Now we will start doing that for 12 reps, getting the 90-90 position, and then doing the 12 reps with the back leg, just lifting your feet above. So if your lower back issue and having pain, so this is a section 9 of lower back rebuild progression. So in this, you have to do this slowly on each side. I'm doing 12 reps. So it will just activate the lower back side and the hip joint muscles. So both will get activated and slowly you will get the strength there. And now I'm holding it for 30 seconds. First doing the reps and then holding will help, because when we're holding it, then its small tissues and the ligaments will get the blood circulation, and it will get the memory that it should not flare up, it should not cause issue even if something is holding or something is burning. So that's very important. So we have to do on each side. Yeah, still holding. Yeah, now it's completed. Now same we have to do on the other side. Yeah, got to the 90-90 position for the other leg side. Now just watch out my back leg. Yeah, see my feet is moving up in the same way I did for the other leg. So a little bit of camera adjusting. Yeah, so this feet is my visible now. So now you have to just lift it for 12 reps, slow reps. Controlled reps, no hurry. So in this other sides also, you will feel that some people will feel on the left or right, on either one side, more stretch or more pain, because we hip imbalances. So based on the strength on each side, you will feel the pain there and more stretch there. So that's normal. So don't be worried that why you're feeling more on the left and not much on the right. And after that, I'm holding it for 30 seconds. Holding is very important, guys. After doing the reps, we have to hold it for 30 seconds. So it will burn the area in the hip section and the lower back section. That's a joint muscle, the ios muscle basically. That will join both the muscles. Keep it holding for 30 seconds. Slowly, so as I mentioned, guys, so it's a very long process. So you have to be very patient about that. So follow us along for the upcoming sessions.